Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. So, children, we have learnt about the unification of Germany and unification of Italy in the previous class. Today, we are going to begin a new lesson, industrialization, and this industrialization has brought many social changes. So, the name of the lesson is industrialization and social change. So, this is our new topic, children, social change. The changes which occurred in the society because of industrialization, we read here. Industrialization bole to, what is industrialization? Industrialization means establishment of many new industries is called as industrialization. So, due to the establishment of new industries, many workers got migrated from the rural areas and they got settled down around these industries in slum areas. And what kind of changes have occurred in their life, we shall learn under this unit. So, the economy and the industries in India, in Britain especially, changed completely between 1780 to 1850s. This phase in the history we call it as the first industrial revolution. जो changes industry और economy आए जो है ब्रिटेन में between 1780 and 1850, उसको first industrial revolution बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? First industrial revolution. The term industrial revolution was used by the European scholars like Georges Michelet in France and Frederick Engels in Germany, and it was first used for the first time. It was used by English by the philosopher and economist like Arnold Toynbee in the year 1852 to 1883 to describe the changes that have occurred in the British industrial development between 1760 to 1820. He described these changes as a industrial revolution. This revolution had led widespread effects in Britain. Later, similar revolutions also happened in European countries, in America, in USA, and even in Asian countries. These changes were going to have a major impact on the society and economy because of the introduction of the new goods and new industries, new technology. And entire world got impacted because of the industrial revolution. Depending upon the country's historical, social and geographical features, the industrial revolution has taken place in different phases in different countries. But early, the first industrial revolution has taken place in Britain, and Britain for that reason is called as workshop of the world, because many of the industries had come up with new technologies in Britain. For coal, for iron making, for textile industry, there were many changes which have occurred. When industrial development got started in Britain, new machinery and technologies were invented in order to make the manual power less and the machine power more. So, it was now possible to produce goods on a large scale. Okay, if you make it at a house, if it is a homemaking, the number of goods which you produce will be very little, but when you prepare it in a factory, in an industry, then large number of goods can be produced in a small time. So, handicrafts and handloom industries where production was very small scale. British industries has now started using steam power, that is a new source of power of production. The use of steam power made the modes of transportation like ships and railways faster also. Many of the inventors and businessmen who made these inventions were neither personally wealthy nor they were from the educated background. That means they don't have any basic sciences like physics or chemistry, but still they have invented the new machinery. So what machinery has been introduced by whom? We also will see that one. Who introduced the steam power, steam engine? It is nothing but James Watt. He invented the steam engine. So, industrialization has brought great prosperity for many people. Of course, many of them have become wealthy because of industrialization. देखो, industrialization के वजह से there are two sides of the coin. थोड़े लोग जो है वो wealthy बन गए और थोड़े लोग जो है वो they were suppressed or they were oppressed to the lower classes. And initially it was linked with the poor living conditions. पहले जो industrialization था उसमें poor living conditions था, including women and children also faced many problems. And after many protest movements, what happened? The government was forced to make laws for improving the conditions of work. So why only it happened in Britain? why the industrial revolution has taken place first in Britain, we will see in the next class, children. Until then, take care. Thank you.